Let me tell you my story. Not to motivate anyone, but just to tell my story here about my journey. So, this is not a success story, but this is mostly about the process that I'm having till now, working as a data scientist at IBM. I come from a small village in West Bengal with no exposure, no English environment, and no information about what career planning is. So in 2016, I gave my 10th standard and I got a decent marks of around 84%. People said, yeah, it's a good marks. But in my mind, I was having that not clear idea that what I'll be doing in the future. So in 11th, I took PCMB as my combination. But that year was very brutal. I was not a good student anymore. My marks dropped to 63% on 11th. In my mind, I was thinking about, is that a correct direction that I'm following, or is science streams is for me or not? But after that, I thought like, if I have started in this path, I should follow or be consistent enough or do hard work enough to make the results better. The next year after my 11th was the year of 12th and also JEE. So at that point of time, I was having no access to internet, no access to mobiles, or no access to any laptops or computers as such. I studied directly from the teachers from my own location. There were no fancy coaching centers available at that point of time at my location. So I had to study from my teachers. They were exceptionally good at making the concepts clear and make you very hard work so that you can become a successful person in a dimension that you think marks, right? After all the hard work, I have practiced a lot of questions from JEE for my say like 12th standard, and that hard work paid me well. I got 89% of mark in my 12th, and in the same year I have cleared the JEE examination and got admission into IIEST Shibpur in the civil engineering branch. Then comes the first year of my college, the first class of C programming. I was so feared about what actually programming is for a computer. I was having literally zero knowledge how a computer works. So C feared me a lot, and even after having good CGPA in my first year, I never thought of going to computer science stream and stayed back with civil engineering. In second, third, and fourth year, I grinded my work and gave my consistency that I started following in my 12th or JEE times. I gave all the hard work towards civil, structural engineering, learning about all the designs for concrete, steel, everything. And also along with the academia, I have participated in multiple competitions which were basically all India level, or some were also all over the world. Out of those, I became first in 2 of those in about all India level competitions for structural engineering. Also, our team got selected in top 20 teams all over the world for an infrastructure planning competition. Till then, it was going great, and people used to say like, you'll be killing the structural engineering domain. You must go in the structural engineering domain. Not even my friends or batchmates, but also professors were 110% sure that this student will go into civil and make something good. But the turning point came in 1 week of Python programming just before my placement time. It was around January 2022. Out of nowhere, randomly I started learning Python for a week, and after that there was test for TCS innovator role. I applied for that. I gave the test for programming and aptitude. The interview happened, and I got the offer from TCS for the innovator role. I was thinking that after all this hard work in my first, second, third, and fourth year, that I have given to structural engineering, civil engineering, if I join an IT, will I be able to survive? But in my mind, I was thinking like, if this has happened, let me try. Why not to give it a try? And if not, then I am having that knowledge enough, or contacts enough, or references enough, so that I can come back to some core companies after an year. After completing my BTech, I joined TCS in around August 2022 as an AIML developer with that small knowledge of 1 week of Python. And then the 4 months of my starting of my career felt like hell. I was not having any idea of what machine learning is, what AI is. I was seeing like people are doing a lot of work in the AI domain, everything's are coming. After that 4 months, from January 2023, I started learning the machine learning concepts from a very deep perspective of mathematics, and also started implementing those concepts. I always followed a layered learning where I learn a theory, I implement it, and then I go to deeper of that theory and implement that theory in this fashion. So this worked for me pretty well. I have done this layered learning for 2.5 years of my career, and then I started applying for other jobs to test like to if I'm getting some interview calls or not, if my knowledge or if my resume is good enough to get some interview calls. So I have used that template to get 40 plus interview calls on that time around December 2024. Uh, I got my first offer on an around end of January 2025, and then I resigned from my role at TCS. After that, around May, once I completed my extended notice period due to some requirements were there, so I joined IBM as a data scientist, and currently I'm working here in real life great products, and also learning a lot from my seniors, and getting more and more experience. So this was my story from a village of West Bengal to IIEST Shibpur, becoming the third ranker in civil engineering department, then coming to IT, and finally joining a product based company and working in good AIML tech products. Thanks for watching this video. If you have come till the end, then do subscribe my channel, and also like this and comment your thoughts about like what do you think about this progress. And also, if you after watching this video, if you feel confident enough, then please comment your thoughts and share this with your friends.